How to use Google AI Studio for coding. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Google AI Studio for coding. Now, Google AI Studio is a web-based prototyping environment. It helps user quickly build, test, and refine application using Gemini models. And as for the coding, it allows a user to move from a natural language to production ready code. So what you need is now for this generating a code with a prompt, you need to open up your studio ai.studio.com, or you could also install the app. Once done installing the app, you have these information, you will be taken to the playground section, right? So here you just want to go to the AI Studio and sign in with your Google account and select the high performance coding model, such as Gemini 2.0 Flash or Gemini 1.5. You just need to go ahead and look for it. As you do that, you want to describe what to build in the main input area. You just have to write in the prompt in clear prompt in a clear language, and once you do that, it's going to start generating, and that's how you'll be able to use Google AI Studio for coding. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.